The email that almost changed nothing. I almost didn't open the email. It arrived early in the morning and I was still half asleep. I usually delete messages like that without thinking, but this time, something felt different. The subject line was simple but serious. It said that my application had been reviewed and that they wanted to continue the process. My heart started to beat faster. I opened the email and read it slowly. They thanked me for my interest and said they liked my profile. I felt happy for a moment. Then I read the sentence that changed everything. The interview would be in English. I stopped reading and stared at the screen. I felt nervous, insecure, and afraid. I had studied English before, but I never felt confident speaking it. I knew many words and I understood grammar, but speaking was always difficult for me. My mind immediately started creating excuses. I told myself that I was not ready, that my pronunciation was bad, and that I would make many mistakes. I imagined the interviewer not understanding me. I imagined feeling embarrassed. For several minutes, I did nothing. I just looked at the email and thought about closing it and forgetting everything. Then I remembered something important. A long time ago, a teacher told me that English is not about being perfect. It is about being clear. Communication is more important than perfection. That idea stayed in my mind. I read the email again and noticed something interesting. They did not ask for perfect English. They only wanted to talk. I took a deep breath and decided to answer. I wrote a short and simple reply. I thanked them for the opportunity and confirmed my availability for the interview. When I pressed the send button, my hands were shaking, but I also felt proud. I knew I was afraid, but I was moving forward. During the next few days, I prepared as much as I could. I didn't try to sound advanced or use difficult vocabulary. Instead, I practiced simple sentences. I talked about my experience, my skills, and my goals using basic English. Every day, I read short texts. Every day, I listened to simple conversations. Little by little, I started to feel more comfortable. The day of the interview arrived. I was nervous, but I was ready. The interviewer greeted me with a smile and spoke slowly. That helped me relax. I made some mistakes while speaking, but I didn't stop. I continued talking. I focused on expressing my ideas, not on being perfect. I realized that communication was happening, and that was enough. 1 week later, I received another email. This time, I opened it immediately. They offered me the position. I couldn't believe it. My English was not perfect, but I tried. I spoke. I communicated. That was the difference. That experience taught me a powerful lesson. English alone does not change your life. Your decisions do. If you wait until you feel ready, you may wait forever. But if you take action, even with fear, new opportunities can appear. Before you leave, let me ask you something. Did you understand this story? Was it easy for you, a little difficult, or very difficult? Please write in the comments, I understood everything. I understood most of it. Or, I need more practice. Your comment helps me understand your level and helps this channel grow. If this reading helped you practice your English today, leave a like and subscribe for more English stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.